Welcome to Derpat Casting Private Limited, where precision meets innovation. Quality products, on-time delivery is our first choice. More than 2 decades of experience at your service. Rajkot, India. At Derpat Casting, we specialize in high-quality investment casting, a process that delivers the finest details, precision, and durability across every product. Investment casting, also known as lost wax casting, allows us to produce wide-ranging precision metal components, serving various industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, valves and pumps, food, automotive, aerospace, medical, locomotive, defense, marine, general machinery. We provide customized solutions tailored to meet the exclusive needs for each sector. We are specialized in manufacturing, precision machining and supplying. At present, we supply in USA, Mexico, Germany, UAE, Africa, France, Italy, Japan and domestically. We are a dedicated team of experts who work tirelessly with advanced innovative technology in every step of development and manufacturing. Our products of casting meet stringent quality specifications complying with national and international standards. Production process. Based on the drawing model, we design for tool, die, making with ensuring specific parameters and dimensions. Wax pattern creation. We start by creating an exact replica of the desired part using wax. This wax pattern will shape the mold that forms the metal casting as per the required tool. Assembly of wax patterns. The wax patterns are then assembled onto a central wax runner, creating what is called a tree. This setup allows multiple parts to be cast simultaneously, improving efficiency. Ceramic shell built-in. The wax tree is coated in ceramic slurry, followed by layers of fine sand. This process is repeated several times to build a durable ceramic shell around the wax patterns, forming a mold that can withstand high temperatures. Wax removal. Once the ceramic shell is ready, we place it in a steam autoclave to melt and drain out, leaving a hollow ceramic mold that mirrors the original wax patterns. Pouring the molten metal. Molten metal is poured carefully into the preheated ceramic molds, filling every detail and crevice. Our highly skilled operators oversee this process to ensure precision. Cooling and shell removal. After the metal cools and solidifies, we carefully remove the ceramic shell through a process called shell knockoff, unveiling the metal casting that was formed inside. Cutting and finishing. Once the shell is removed, the castings are cut from the sprue and moved through finishing processes, which may include grinding, polishing, or machining to meet precise specifications. Inspection and quality control. Every casting undergoes through meticulous inspection and testing. Our quality control team ensures that each part meets stringent quality standards before reaching customers. Metallurgy. Metal sample testing will be performed on Metal Testing Spectra Bruker May Q8 Magellan model. Fast testing 4-base metal spectrometer. This system detects iron, nickel, cobalt, copper, nitrogen. Mechanical properties testing. Check that the metal casting part has the correct properties and meets the specified mechanical requirements. Machining and inspection. We have well-equipped machine shop infrastructure, CNC, VMC, HMC, etc. Accepted casting is machined as per the specific approved drawings and standards. Ensures the casting meets its dimensional requirements. Additional applicable inspection checking will be performed such as radiography, dye penetrant inspection, DPI, also called as liquid penetrant inspection, LPI, magnetic particle inspection, MPI, ultrasonic testing, UT. Final product delivery. The finished castings are then packed properly and delivered to specific customers. We Durpet Casting believe in sustainable growth. Our processes are designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. We are committed to innovation, quality, and sustainability as we shape a brighter future. Choose to work with Durpet Casting Private Limited, your trusted partner in precision casting solutions. Contact us for more details.